Do not be afraid of those who can kill the body. Our real life is eternal life, and it is safe. Every martyr has accepted this, especially when they were faced with torture in the concentration camp, when they were led to the judges, then they were led in the prison cells to be executed. They were not frightened. We too also have Mother Mary. When she decided to become Mother of God, she led a tough life. At the presentation of Jesus, the prophet Simeon told her, "Your heart will be pierced through 7 sorrows." And in fact, she faced them. She had to face her son being crucified on the cross. She was there at the foot of the cross. She was there along with him for the way of the cross. She was there for him when people called her son mad, possessed by Beelzebul. She was there when he was lost in the temple. So we have so many opportunities provided by God. We have the sacraments, we have Mother Mary, we have the saints who strengthen us in our journey of faith, hope, and charity. And so to share in the redemption promised by God, we have to carry our own cross and imitate Christ.